Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can improve the speed of your laptop or computer when it's running slow. So basically what we need to do is clean up the cache or memory cache using a software directly for Microsoft. So that is safe to do. So I show you step by step what we can do it. First, we can see Task Manager, and I show you what we're talking about. So you go to Performance, this is second button on the left, and then you click Memory. As you see at the moment, I'm using 13 GB memory. So that's good to clean that one. So what I'm doing now, you see, like I'm using 32 GB. Most of the basically half of the memory is using by cache. That's normally when the Windows storage the program to start up quick, but realistically we don't need to have this all memory busy, okay? That will be improves your speed of your computer. So second step, we go to internet and looking for RAMMap. This is for Microsoft, so this is a safe site to do it, okay? You look in there. And here you go, you download this one. It's basically 1 MB. That's so quick. Let's see, it's done, guys. Look. So we go to the folder, download, looking for RAMMap, and extract all, okay? We extract the folder in the same. We can do it. Let's see, guys. Let me do it that one. So once you running RAMMap, we can use the RAMMap, that one application. You don't need to keep this one. You can use the then you need to say yes to this Windows. You agree with the software. And the software will be run a Windows like this, okay? So we need to wait a little bit. He's just doing the testing on the system. Okay, when he finished, what we need to look is for empty, and the one we need to use is empty standby list. Once I click that one, you see the cache basically will be 0, or the minimum at the moment. So you look it up, 11.6 GB, click empty standby list. You see that one? That's how Windows works. So guys, that's all for today. I hope so this video can help you to improve the speed of your computer, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye, see ya.